Tonight, a third-grade Severna Park teacher is accused of sexually abusing students, a case raising lots of questions over what school officials knew and when.
As Project Baltimore's Chris Papps explains, the public is demanding answers, but due to an email policy from 2008, those answers may be gone.
I think that's completely ridiculous.
Kurt Nachman has been an attorney for 18 years, specializing in personal injury. And what Project Baltimore recently learned concerning Anne Arundel County Schools, he says, is a problem.
It's an opportunity for the district to avoid accountability.
Fox 45 was there last month when Anne Arundel County Police arrested Matthew Schlegel at his home in Severna Park. According to court documents, Schlegel, a third-grade teacher at Severna Park Elementary, sexually abused 8 students. Police say the alleged abuse began in August of 2022 and occurred in Schlegel's classroom during the school day. At his last court date, prosecutors said Schlegel used his status as a beloved teacher to prey upon children. He'd been teaching for 16 years before his arrest. But if there were previous reports of alleged misconduct, we may never know. And Nachman says that could be intentional.
And so they've created this policy to avoid a paper trail more than anything else. And I think it's frankly, it's disturbing.
In April, Project Baltimore sent multiple public records requests to Anne Arundel County Schools, asking for correspondence between school officials, including emails and text messages, related to Schlegel. Turns out, Anne Arundel County Schools only retains 30 days worth of an employee's email inbox. Just 30 days. The district's document retention policy was drafted in 2008. It hasn't been updated in 16 years, which Nachman says puts any potential victims and their families at a disadvantage. Any emails concerning Schlegel's behavior outside of a 30-day window are likely gone unless someone intentionally saved them. What that means is if school officials in Anne Arundel County somehow missed warning signs concerning Schlegel's behavior, those school officials can't be held accountable because any potential email evidence has likely been deleted. And this is much bigger than just one teacher. This is the policy for the entire school system, meaning any Anne Arundel County parent would face the same challenges obtaining records for any other teacher accused of misconduct.
It doesn't make any sense. On a legal level, it doesn't make any sense unless you're trying to hide something. And on a practical level, it doesn't make any sense because if the guise is we're trying to save money, that's sort of a misnomer.
Project Baltimore analyzed the document retention policies for other school systems in our region. Baltimore City's document retention policy was last updated in April 2023 and states, emails will be retained for a period of 3 years. Baltimore County's retention policy was last updated in 2021. The amount of time an email is retained in BCPS depends on the topic, but most emails must be retained for at least 1 year, some as long as 7 years. In Howard County, an employee's incoming emails are retained for 1 year, while sent items are retained for 60 days.
That's a very frustrating situation to be in as an attorney where you're, hopefully Anne Arundel County will take a step back and revise their policies.
Since 2008, when Anne Arundel County Schools last updated its document retention policy, there have been significant advancements in technology and data storage. We asked the district to explain why it has not updated its document retention policy in 16 years, and whether the district intends to update its document retention policy at any point in the near future. We sent that email Tuesday morning. We haven't heard back.
I would be absolutely livid that especially if there's some indicia that this may have been going on for a more extended period of time. I would be absolutely livid.
Schlegel faces 55 charges related to allegations that he sexually abused 8 students. He's being held without bail as he awaits trial. Fox 45 will continue to follow this case and provide you with updates. I'm Chris Pabst, and this is Project Baltimore.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.